trace your name in the fog on the window. Bare feet spin on a tile floor halo. Coffee gone cold, but your eyes still glow like you're hearing a song. I don't know. Are we falling, or just learning how to float? Every heartbeat, writing lines I never wrote. You take my hands, pull me close, like you already know. Moonlight in slow motion, bathing us in silver oceans. We're barely moving, but I'm losing all control. Breathing in this quiet fever. Don't know where you end, I start. In the echo of your heartbeat, I surrender you my heart. Streetlight stripes on your white worn sweater. You say stay late, like a soft rap letter. Time drips down